How to troubleshoot to get AirPods to work on phone calls.
Hello and welcome to our guide. Today we're going to troubleshoot and solve a common problem, getting your AirPods to work on phone calls. If you're struggling with this, don't worry. We're going to take you through the steps one by one.
Check your AirPods connection.
The first step in our troubleshooting process is to check the AirPods connection to your phone. Make sure your AirPods are charged and within Bluetooth range of your phone. Then, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check to see if your AirPods are connected. If not, try connecting them manually.
Restart your phone and AirPods.
If your AirPods are connected but you're still having trouble, it may be time to restart both your phone and your AirPods. To do this, simply turn off your phone, put your AirPods back into their case, and close the lid. After about 30 seconds, turn your phone back on and take your AirPods out of their case to reconnect them.
Check your phone call audio settings.
Your AirPods might be working perfectly fine, but your phone might not be directing call audio to them. Go into your phone's settings and check the audio output during calls. Make sure it's set to your AirPods.
Reset your AirPods.
If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reset your AirPods. To do this, put your AirPods back in their case and close the lid. Wait about 30 seconds, then open the lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until you see the status light flashing amber. Reconnect your AirPods to your phone and try a phone call again. We hope these troubleshooting steps have helped you get your AirPods working for phone calls. Remember, patience is key when dealing with technology issues. If you're still having problems, don't hesitate to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting!